Salam Namaste. Good morning all of you. My dear 5th class students, today discuss about area and boundary. See here, all of us are aware about the area and perimeter of plane, shapes such as rectangle, square, triangle, etc. As you know, what is meant by perimeter? Perimeter means around the distance of a closed figure is known as its perimeter. Around the distance of a closed figure is known as its perimeter. So for example, I am taking rectangle. So this is the rectangle. Around the distance means so this is the length, this is width. Around the distance of a closed figure is known as its perimeter. See here, length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. So now I am taking, this is 3 meter, this is 2 meter, this is 3 meter, this is 2 meter. In a rectangle, the opposite sides are equal and parallel. Then perimeter is equals to length, sum of the sides. See here, 3 meter plus 2 meter plus 3 meter plus 2 meter. So you can get 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 2, 10 meter. See here, around the distance of a closed figure is called its perimeter. See here, around the distance means this side plus this side plus this side plus this side, means sum of the sides. Sum of the sides means 3 plus, this is the length, breadth 2 plus, again length 3 plus, again breadth 2 plus, 2 meters. See here, 3 meter plus 2 meter plus 3 meter plus 2 meter, you can get 10 meter. This is the perimeter. So once again, around the distance of a closed figure is known as its perimeter. Around the distance of a closed figure is known as its perimeter. Means in a triangle, this is the triangle, it has length and breadth. In a triangle, the opposite sides are equal and parallel. Here, length plus breadth plus length plus breadth means 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2, you can get 10. 10, it is the perimeter of a given rectangle. So now next, area. See here, next area. See, area means what? So now I am taking one rectangle. Area of a plane figure is the region enclosed by its boundary. See here, area of a plane figure, this is the plane figure. The region, this is the space. The region enclosed by its boundary. These are the boundaries. So this is called as area. Did you understand? Once again, area of a plane figure is, this is the plane figure, the region enclosed by its boundary. The region means this is the space enclosed by. So enclosed by 4 sides. So this space is occupied by its boundary is known as area. In a plane figure, the space, the region enclosed by its boundary is known as its area. That is the area. So this is a rectangle. Here area here 4 meter. Length 4 meter and breadth 3 meter. Then area is equals to 4 into 3. 4 meter into 3 meter, you can get 12 meter into meter square meter or meter square. So this is the area. So area is equals to 12 meter square. What is the area? This is the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equals to 4 meter into 3 meter. You can get 4 3s are 12 meter into meter, meter square or square meter. That is the area. Once again, perimeter. So what is the perimeter? Perimeter is the total length of the boundary of a closed figure. Perimeter is the total length of the boundary of a closed figure known as its perimeter. Area. What is area? Area of a plane figure is the region enclosed by its boundary. Region enclosed by its boundary is known as area. See, let us discuss more about them now. Anu's uncle gave a chocolate to each Anu and her brother Varun. From your course book, page number 56C. Once again, let us discuss more about them now. Anu's uncle gave a chocolate each to Anu and her brother Varun. Varun got a doubt that his chocolate was smaller than Anu's chocolate. See, Varun got a doubt. That is, his chocolate was smaller than Arun's chocolate. So he asked Arun, but she did not agree. So both of them argued till Varun came up with an idea. He reasoned that since the chocolates have square boxes of the same size, they should not the number of blacks to find out if there is any difference in the size of chocolates. So they started counting the blacks. So they start counting the blacks. In the end, it turned out Bar's Varun chocolate had only 16 blacks. That Varun's chocolate had only 16 blacks, whereas Anu's chocolate had 24 blacks. So both agreed that Anu's chocolate was bigger than as it had more number of blacks. See here, Varun wanted to wish a friend on his birthday by spending a greeting card to him. Now next one, Varun wanted to wish a friend on his birthday by spending a greeting card to him. He prepared a greeting card for this purpose. He wanted to buy an envelope for the birthday card. So he measured the length and breadth of card with a numbered card. He arranged the numbered cards around the greeting cards as shown below. So this is the birthday cards. See here, length of each numbered card is 1 centimeter. Such cards have covered the length of the greeting cards. So the length is 11 into 1 you can get 11 centimeter. 11 into 1 you can get 11 centimeter. Now 6 squares have covered. This is the length 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 centimeters. This is the breadth. 6 numbers means 6 centimeters. 6 squares have covered the breadth. 6 squares have covered the breadth of the greeting card. So its breadth is equals to the length of 6 numbered cards. Therefore, breadth of the greeting cards is 6 into 1. 6 into 1 you can get 6 centimeter. This is the length, this is the breadth. Length is equals to 7 centimeter and breadth that is equals to 6 centimeters. So length is equals to how many centimeters beta? 11 centimeters. Length is equals to 11 centimeters and breadth is equals to 6 centimeters. So altogether 11 into 6. So length into breadth 11 into 6 you can get 11 6 are 66 centimeter into centimeter you can get in centimeter square. So 66 numbered cards will cover the greeting card completely. So the area of the greeting card is the total number of cards needed to cover it. The space occupied or area of the greeting cards that is cost 11 into 6, you can get 66 square centimeter. Square centimeter. Varun needed to buy an envelope that is slightly larger than greeting card. Now next page number 58. Now Anu wants to measure and see the area of her hall ticket. Sorry, her handkerchief, and compare its size with the size of the greeting cards. See here. Now Anu wants to measure and see the area of her handkerchief and compare its size with the size of the greeting card. Likewise, she has also arranged the number cards on the handkerchief. There are 4 number cards in a row. So this is the handkerchief. Anu's handkerchief beta. See here numbered. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. See here 1, 2, 3, 4. This side 1, 2, 3, 4 beta. See here there are 4 number cards in a row, and 4 such rows. There are how many rows? 4 rows. There are 14 into 14. You can get 16 cards to cover the handkerchief. So this is 4 and this is 4. 4 into 4 you can get 16. See here 16 square centimeter. 16 square centimeter. So 16 square centimeter. So you can get for the handkerchief of Anu's. Now here we can observe 66 square centimeter is greater than 16 square centimeter. So here it's clear that the area of the greeting card is more than the area of the handkerchief. Hence the size of the greeting card is more than that of the handkerchief. So here area of an object on a square grid. See how you can. So this is the square grid. Okay, wait. Abhi kept his pencil box on a square grid. The number of square occupied by the pencil box is the area of the pencil box. So Abhi counted the square occupied 4 into 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the pencil box beta. Pencil box occupied this area. See here, you can get what we get. We concluded that 4 into 7, you can get 4 7 are 28 square centimeters. So Anil counted the square occupied as 4 into 7 is equals to, you can get 28 square centimeters. The area of the pencil box is, this is 28 square centimeters. So now formula for calculating area and perimeters of different shapes. See here. Everybody listen carefully. Formulas very important. See here. Calculating area and perimeter of different shapes. Area formula. Perimeter formula. Variables. See here, first shape, this is the triangle. So, these are the sides. How many sides are there in a triangle? 3 sides. This is side A, side B, side C. So this is height beta. Height of the triangle. So what is the area of a triangle? That is equals to 1 by 2 base into height. So here this is the base, this is the height of the triangle, base into height. So these are the sides, side A, side B, side C. Now here perimeter formula. So perimeter of the rectangle you can get, that is sum of the sides. Sum of the sides means A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C. Here base, that is equals to base of the triangle. B for base of the triangle. Next H means height of the triangle. Height of the triangle. So here A, B, C, these are the sides. Length of sides of the triangle. A, B and C, that is equals to lengths of the triangle. So this is the formula for triangle. So area of triangle, that is equals to 1 by 2 base into height. Here B for not side. Here B for base. H for height. Area of triangle is equals to 1 by 2 base into height. Now next, perimeter of the triangle is equals to sum of the sides. Means 3 sides. Side A plus side B plus side C. A plus B plus C. Here B for base of the triangle, H for height of the triangle, and A, B, C. These are the lengths of the triangles. So now next, so these are the A, B and C are the lengths of the sides of the triangle. Now next, square. See here, square, this is side. So side you can, let us take A for side. See here, A. This is A for side. Area of the square, A into A. A square. A into A or S into S. A square or S square. Both. Now next, perimeter of the square. Perimeter of the square means, perimeter means around the distance of a closed figure. Now say A plus A plus A plus A. So 4 into A, 4A. How you can get? So sum of the sides means here A plus A plus A plus A. So A plus A, 2A, 3A plus 4A. So 4A you can write 4 into A, that is equals to 4A. So perimeter means around the distance of a closed figure. Around the distance means side plus side plus side plus sum of the sides. Sum of the sides means in a square all sides are equal in length. In a square all sides are equal in length. So all sides are equal. So this is A, this is A, this is A, this is A. So perimeter is equal to sum of the sides means A plus A plus A plus A. A plus A, 2A plus 3A plus 4A. 4 into A you can get 4A. See here, A is equals to, so what is A? Here, A, length of this side. Side A taking as A. So this is the area formula for square, that is equals to A into A. A into A you can get A square also. So now here perimeter of the square you can get 4A. So here A is equals to length of the sides. Now next, rectangle. So this is the rectangle. Already I told, in a rectangle the opposite sides are equal and parallel. So this is a length. In a closed figure, the longest line segment is known as its length. The shortest line segment is known as its breadth. So this is length, this is also length, breadth. In a rectangle, opposite sides are equal and parallel. See here, area formula for rectangle. So length into breadth, L into B. L for length, B for breadth. Next, perimeter of the rectangle, 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into length plus breadth. This is square units, this is only units. Length into breadth, this is area of rectangle. Length into breadth means LB square units. Now next, perimeter of the rectangle, 2 into length plus breadth. This is only units. Now here, L for length of the rectangle. length of the side. Now L. This is the L now. L means in a rectangle the largest line segments. This is the known as length. So L for length of the rectangle. Next B. B means width. Width of the rectangle. Width of the rectangle or width. Width of the rectangle also correct. These are the formulas for triangle, square and rectangle. Now next perimeter. Already I explained in this class perimeter. Perimeter means around the distance of a closed figure is known as its perimeter. Now page number 59. This is from your course book. Perimeter. Now let us measure the perimeter of objects. Sanju has stitched a lace along her handkerchief. How much lace did she use to make this kerchief beautiful? See, this is the kerchief. Now here, the length of the boundary is the perimeter of the figure. The perimeter of the kerchief is, see here, 8 centimeter. Plus 8 centimeter plus 8 centimeter plus 8 centimeter. You can get 32 centimeter. Now, the length of the boundary is the perimeter of the figure. So, what is the perimeter? Around the distance means the length of the boundary. So, this is the length of the boundary means sum of the all sides. Sum of the all sides. See here, this is the kerchief. Listen carefully. So this is the lace, no? She want to make a lace for handkerchief. So this is 8 centimeter. This is also 8 centimeter. This is also 8 centimeter. This is also 8 meter. Now you can find out its a boundary. Boundary means sum of the sides. This plus this side plus this side plus this side. In this kerchief, all sides are equal in length. So 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. So you can get 32 centimeter. So the total length of the lace used is 32 centimeter. How much lace you need? So 32 centimeter lace used for handkerchief. Make it beautiful. Now how to find the perimeter of different figures? Find the perimeter of the following figure. See here, listen carefully, this is very very important. Very simple beta this is. This is 5 centimeter. This is 8 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. 4 centimeter. 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. 8 centimeter. So you can find out perimeter of the given figure. So very simple. You can say this is A, this is B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. So very simple. Sum of the sides. Sum of the sides. See here. Sum of the sides means, so AB plus this side BC plus CD plus DE plus EF plus FG plus GH plus HI plus IJ plus JK JK plus KL plus KLLA LA. Substitute the values. See here, AB 8 centimeter plus BC 5 centimeter plus CD 5 centimeter plus DE 5 centimeter plus EF 4 centimeter plus FG 5 centimeter. Next GH 4 centimeter plus HI 5 centimeter. Next IJ 5 centimeter. JK 5 centimeter plus KL 8 centimeter plus LA 5 centimeter. So how many sides once count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. See here, count. Say count. Add all the sides. 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5. 13. 13 plus 5. 18. 18 plus 5. 23. 23 plus 4. 23 plus 4. 27. 27 plus 5. 32. 32 plus 4. 36. 36 plus 5. 41. 41 plus 5. 46. 46 plus 5. 51. 51 plus 8. 59. 59 plus 5. 64 centimeter. So, this is the perimeter of the given figure, that is equals to 64 centimeters. So, today your class is completed. Thank you everybody.